Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to enable and disable media players for Giphy on your account on Bluesky easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky application and then click on these three lines up here and then go to the settings, and as you see here you will find the content and the media. Click on it. Now click on external media, and as you see here you will find Giphy. Click on it like this to enable it, or if you want to disable it, just like this. So that's how to enable or disable Giphy media players for Giphy easy and quickly. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.